like a what? A pit bull? Oh, pit bull. Yeah, no, no. Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Queen, and today I'm going to be doing this extra small French coil braids. I've actually had this video for a while now, but I just haven't had the strength to edit and post it because of time. I've been busy, family, and a whole lot. So, she wanted to get like small sizes, but the picture she showed me, she insisted that she wanted the braids to look exactly like the picture, and those were extra small. She got the hair on Amazon. This hair was a little bit more synthetic and silky, was a little bit more silky than the Freetress or Expression French coil braids. This one just came in a pack. There was no name on it, if I remember correctly. So it's one of those hairs that will just come in the bag, and her hair is not like so long, but of course she has some hair there. And she combined three colors. We combined black, color 33, and I think color 27. So yeah, there were three colors I blended to get this shade that you can see here. I made sure to blow dry her hair to further straighten it out a little bit. Now with the extra small, I didn't want to add so much hair. I just added very light. And I think one thing about French coil braids that we fail to get sometimes is, I feel like the lesser the hair you add to the braids, the more beautiful and natural the braid tends to look. I'm so tired today. I did another French coil braid small size today, so I'm completely exhausted. I already promised my fans and followers on TikTok that I was going to post this video on my YouTube today, which was tomorrow, as at the time I was talking about it. So yeah, right now I'm feeling so sleepy. What I do here is just the regular how you do knotless braid or box braids, but in this case the parts are very tiny. So very quickly before I go, I'd like to give you a few tips on how to care for your French coil braids, especially when you've got this synthetic hair. I really have not seen human hair French coil braids, but I'm sure there is somewhere. Number one, you want to make sure to always pack your hair properly in your protective headgear, either your hair net, your bonnet, or a scarf. You can like tie it up and tie a scarf around it to keep the hair in place, just like boho braids, so that you have very minimal tangles. Secondly, going out every day might be a little bit more stressful than the regular braids that are braided all the way down, because you need to make sure that your braids are not dry and crunchy. So you moisturize properly and then use a wide tooth comb, a big comb, to comb down the curly part or you use a brush, a hair brush, a weave-on brush, to brush the curly parts to make sure that the curls are not lost, and then you have very minimal tangles, because as soon as the hair starts to tangle, you further need to, like, worry about taking it down or whatever. And then that leads me to the third point. You should also try to, like, shave the hair or trim it from time to time. As you have more tangles, you trim them out. That might also help. What other point am I missing? Yeah, and for the use of hair when it comes to French curls, less is more. If you add too much hair, especially when you're making smaller sizes, if you add too much hair, the hair becomes too bulky and just heavy and all that. So just add the hair according to the sizes you're making or the length. Any other tip I probably will leave it in the comment section, and if you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section below. You can share this video to anyone whom you think it will be helpful to. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and watch my other videos. If you like them, you can subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys so much, and enjoy the video. Bye.